here. That'll be a hot one.
Oh yeah. This is perfect weather for the Springs. I forgot what it was like to feel the heat from under my gums and my shoes.
When you what?
To feel the heat at the bottom of your shoes.
Oh yeah.
I haven't felt this since I first started.
Oh, she's had other people come up here and do repairs. Not repairs, but like they added like the tar.
Yeah.
The adhesive.
The adhesive strip stuff.
This is when I gotta start wearing knee pads.
Let's get into that weather, man.
Oh.
Found you.
No, it wasn't a nail. It was the tar that they used.
Stop recording.
No, you're good. Gotta make sure it's the same size.
Nice.
That was a clean cut.
Yeah, that was really satisfying to watch.
Was it really? It's like those videos on TikTok?
ASMR, my man. You know what's crazy?
What?
I'm a grown-ass man. I don't watch TikTok.
You do or don't?
I don't.
Me neither.
Bro, oh my God. All the people that be on it, I'm just like, man, you a grown-ass man. You watching TikTok right now.
Don't do that. What if this is just your watch TikTok? I love TikTok.
We're going to mute this video. They're not going to hear this. They don't have to hear any conversation. They just got to see the repair. But if he was listening to it, that would be a reality check, and he would be like, I am a grown-ass man on TikTok.
Or they just could be a woman. He's like, right, my husband's on TikTok all the time. I'm gonna divorce him.
You know why he's on TikTok? Because he's watching underage girls fucking dance. Fucking weirdo.
I'm pretty sure they require sound, to be honest.
Oh, God. I sent you the last one's mute. Ishmael's. They was sent in mute.
Mute?
Yeah.
Sweet, because I've never muted it, but I know one of your adjusters one time when I first did a video, they said I can't hear it too well. Hey, to be honest,
It's a beautiful day, though.
took a beautiful picture too.
Yeah. Oh, slipped. That is a beautiful view. I'm a big fan of our neighborhood.
Yeah, likewise.
Used to living in the hood, man. Last one?
No, I got like 4 minutes.
Good.
¿Qué está haciendo ahí?
¿Ah?
¿Qué está haciendo ahí?
Los reparos para el techo.
¿Quién me dijo que lo reparara?
Yolanda y la compañía de seguro.
¿Qué compañía de seguro?
La compañía de la casa. Me mandaron para que se les repare. Yo soy el que trabajo con la compañía que está reemplazando el techo.